What's up? What's that, the vacuum? Is that your vacuum? Oh my goodness.
You're gonna vacuum, Bitsy?
Oh, that's Bitsy's vacuum. My goodness.
Are you ready to get vacuumed? Is my ItsyBitsy here to get vacuumed? Oh, I know. Are you getting this?
Yep. Here's Bitsy's vacuum.
Bitsy's gonna get vacuumed.
Oh yes. Oh my goodness.
We love that.
Oh.
Yes, you did. Come back over here. Oh, love, 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 love. Love, 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 love.
Oh, we love our vacuum.
Love, love. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. We love everything.
What a little frenzy. Oh my goodness, get my head too. Oh.
Nothing yet. Oh, the pretty girl. What a pretty girl. Come back this way. Oh, yes, that's right. We love that vacuum. Do we want a tummy bath? Do we need a tummy bath? Come on, tummy, tummy time. Tummy time.
My goodness, we are in a little frenzy.
Yes, it's tummy time. Oh, yes. Good girl. So clean. So clean. Come on. Back there. Oh, yes. You don't want to get too far from the vacuum, do you? Oh, it's such a clean baby. You're turning the water on. You're going to get electrocuted. Here. Oh, come on. Here we go. Hussy, about your location today? Oh, that didn't help, did it? Oh, baby girl. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Gotta get that cat hair off you. Here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Vacuum. Do my tummy, Mommy. Pretty, pretty Bitsy girl. What a pretty, pretty girl. Oh, yeah. Get the tummy, Mommy. Oh, get that cat hair off me. Oh, yes. Here we go. I love that vacuum. It's like a massage. Yes, it is. What, you gonna fight with it? Oh, what's that all about? Oh, just a pretty girl. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Oh, Bitsy girl. Bitsy, Bitsy. Buster, do you want some too? Are you going to get brave? Big boy. Oh, Bitsy, 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 don't fall. You're gonna fall right off. Yes, you are.
Buster thinks he wants some.
Looks like fun. Mommy's giving attention to her. Oh, pretty, pretty Bitsy. Yes, I think we've got all the loose hair off. Yes, we do. Are you going to fall asleep? Oh, looking sleepy. Oh, get that. Yes, get that vacuum. Get that vacuum. Oh, okay. I guess we overdosed.
He's blowing his circuit.